On today's episode, we are going to make this beautiful mermaid ocean-inspired set. Sit tight, we're coming up next. Hello, my loves. Welcome back. We are going to go ahead and start that beautiful ocean-inspired set with a white base. And then, of course, we're going to come in with my beautiful shimmery pigment powders. I believe it's mica. And we are going to burnish that into the white and do an ombre from blue to green back to blue all the way across those nails. I love a vertical ombre. I love it, love it, love it. Can't get enough. So let me explain, guys, why you did not have a video on Tuesday. It's just because I hate summer. And I know that sounds ridiculous, but Summer messes me up. Maybe a little bit TMI, but I'm going to go ahead and share with you. You guys are my YouTube family, and I couldn't love you more. So I just want to be straight up with you guys about everything, no matter what it is, right? When I was 27, which is really young for this to have happened, I was forced to have a hysterectomy due to endometriosis. That has led to a bit of toughness from time to time. And as you can imagine, going into menopause at 27 is not the thing you want to do. But these things happen and you adjust. But one thing I've not been able to adjust to is heat. I cannot handle the heat. I get hot fast. I get hot to the point where I'm woozy. And I can't cool down quickly. So the summertime, it just makes me sad, guys. There's just no way to put a nice spin on that. It makes me really sad. And Tuesday, I was going through a period where it had really activated my bipolar, and I couldn't really function. So these things happen, right? But you work through it. I've pulled myself back out of that a little bit, and I feel enough better that I could do this beautiful set for you guys. So now, why is it late today? Let's do some stamping while I talk about it. And I'm just doing the traditional put down the polish, scrape, and pick it up. We are using, this is actually, this stamper looks like my Queen stamper, but it's not. It's the one that came with the Kads the Kads plates that we're using right now. But that's just a little alcohol there at the end to get the streaks off. But it's still, it needs to be fully cleaned, as you can see as it dries. It's leaving behind that residue from the acetone. Excuse me. So why I'm late today, there's wildfires surrounding my state, and one that I know of in my state of Nevada, and the wind was coming from the right angle last night, and all you could smell was smoke. And so it activated my allergies and my asthma a little bit. Actually, my allergies worse than my asthma, because I had been using a steroid the last week or so, so my lungs are pretty solid right now. But my eyes swelled shut last night. And this morning when I got up, it took a while for me to actually be able to see correctly. So, like, my eyes were swollen shut last night. And that's not fun. My face actually hurts a little bit. So, you know, you get through it. It's the smell of the smoke is gone today, and I'm really hopeful that it won't be back, because I should have switched that and not done the green on top. That was a mistake, guys. It's really the only big mistake I made on this set. I really love the ocean inspiredness of it. So now we're just coming in with our top coat. I really, really love this set, and it was so easy to do with those Kads plates. They just lend themselves so well. As you can see, I added some of the starfishes on top of that orange bit of plants, and I love this set, guys. And I appreciate you guys so much, and I'm so grateful that you understand when I'm late on a video or I couldn't put one up, because you guys are the best subscribers anyone ever had. And if you're not subscribed, join that great group, and we are going to see you in the next video. Love you to pieces. Mwah! Bye-bye.